Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Manzoor.
In the last video, we covered the big picture of Facebook ads and what this course will teach you. Today, we're jumping right into the action, creating your first Facebook ads campaign and choosing the right objective to get the results you want. Let's get started. First things first, head over to your Facebook Ads Manager. You can find it by going to business.facebook.com or by clicking the Ads Manager link in your Facebook Business Suite. Once you're in Ads Manager, look for the big blue button that says Plus Create and click it. This is where the magic begins. Now, Facebook will ask you to select a campaign objective. This is super important because it tells Facebook what you want your ads to achieve. Here are the main categories you'll see: awareness, consideration, and conversion. Awareness is to get your brand or product in front of as many people as possible. Consideration is to get people interested, like driving traffic or video views. Conversion encourages people to take specific actions like buying or signing up. For this series, we're focusing on the traffic objective. It's perfect if you want to drive visitors to your website, landing page, app, or messenger. Traffic campaigns help you get more clicks and visitors, the first step in turning browsers into buyers. A quick tip: always pick the objective that matches your ultimate goal. Want more brand awareness? Choose awareness. Looking to build engagement or get leads? Consideration is your friend. Ready to sell? Go for conversion. But if you're just starting out, traffic is a great place to begin, simple and effective. One of the most important decisions when creating your Facebook ads campaign is choosing the right objective. This tells Facebook what you want your ads to achieve, and Facebook optimizes your ads accordingly. Let's break down the three main categories with some real-world examples. Awareness. Launching a new fitness brand? Choose brand awareness to get your ad shown to people likely to remember it. Want to reach a broad audience quickly? Reach maximizes how many people see your ad. Consideration. Want to drive visitors to your website or blog? Traffic is perfect. Have a product video? Use video views to get more eyeballs. Looking to collect leads like email signups? Lead generation shows your ad to people likely to fill out your form. Conversion. Selling an online course? Choose conversions and optimize for purchases. Want more app downloads? App installs is your pick. Need people to visit your store or call your business? Use store traffic or calls. So remember, pick the objective that matches your business goal. Starting out, traffic is usually your best bet to drive visitors. Want brand recognition or direct sales? Choose accordingly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video where we'll dive into naming your campaign and setting your budget.
Thanks for watching.